Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're working on the Bronco again. We're taking off the rear tire today. None of the studs broke, so that was good. Basically, we're gonna take the wheel off, and then we got a lot of rust here. I just wanted to take this off, see if we can save these rims. I actually like these rims, but they look pretty beat, so I don't know if we can save them or not, but pop this wheel off, see what we got going on here. Basically, drums off. It's a pretty shot. Super big lip there. Just does not feel good. Super rusty. Probably get a new drum, new brake hardware, new cylinder. Just good. Kind of like make everything fresh. Like, in my opinion, when you're doing a resto, like you might as well take your time and kind of just like repair everything, because if you leave something and then it goes wrong, then you're doing it again down the road. So I mean, I'm not an expert, but yeah, so we need some parts here. Not much of a worry right now. I just want to get this like panel off, just kind of cut it out so we can see what's going on behind it. All right guys, so I just cut a ton of that quarter panel out. I'm not sure how to get it like actually out so the whole thing's out, but I don't want to do that till I have the replacement. But I was just chopping rust off, and it looks way better this way. And I'm gonna wash it all and start grinding away and painting everything in there. And then these have the same bolt pattern, so you know what I'm thinking. We got 37s here. We're gonna see how a 37 would look on this guy. Obviously not yet, because there's no point. It's just false hope. But yeah, we made some progress, and I'm just gonna keep going. We could just rock it like this, dude. Sick. So recently, somebody posted a 79 Bronco in my local area here, parting it out. So I'm trying to get there ASAP. Posted a few days ago. I hope everything that I need is still there. I need the end of the drive shaft. I need the fuel tank straps. I need a ton of stuff. So I'm hoping I can get everything I kind of need to get it running. I don't think what he said, I think the front diff is gone and stuff like that, but I just need parts here and there. So I don't need nothing major. So I'm bringing like, I think almost $1,000. Let's see what we can get. And let's hope we can get a big haul here and get some good deals. So from the haul that I just went to, I got this guy. I got a new one of these. Now this guy I actually bought on Amazon, both of them, but I got the hardware, which is perfect for both. So I got the hardware. So the grill's coming together. I still need this guy. I have the bezel. I have a new one, like I said, I bought. So I got this piece. I have all the trim pieces now. I got the fan shroud. This is that alternator mount that I was talking about earlier. So I got that. I got the hood latch. It all works. Big piece for all the hood stuff there. I got a door trim gasket. I just thought it's better than the one I have now, so I was like, whatever, grab her. And a spare tire. So this one holds air, so I'm just gonna throw it on the rear, because that one, so you guys can see over there, it's flat, and it flattens out right away, so there's a hole or whatever, but we're gonna swap that so it's back to always being able to move. So for that haul, guys, it was really frustrating. It was a parts Bronco. I went there. He told me what was off limits. Roll bar not being one of the things he told me that was off limits. So what do? I'm like, yo, it's a sick roll bar. I'm gonna grab it. I grabbed the roll bar, grabbed all the hardware. Took so long because this was a rusty hunk of junk, basically like mine, but took forever. Finally get it out. I go to pay for it. The guy's like, oh yeah, by the way, I'm keeping that. I'm like, are you kidding me, dude? Like, I just took forever to get this roll bar. And then he says, yeah, I'm keeping that, by the way. And I was like, yeah, come on. Like, that's a bit frustrating. Like, I'm not one to obviously cause any issues, but I feel like that's a bit of a joke. But basically, I would have had the roll bar on top of all this stuff. Obviously, I don't need it, but if it's there, I might as well grab it type thing. So, yeah, so we got all this stuff, and then I'll show you what else I got. So we got some windows, just because I like the black. This is for the alternator mount, this stuff, a gas cap, interior plug for like the lights or the windows, a new oil cap, Ford letters, the Bronco badge, and tons of hardware. But that's exactly what I need, like just these little things. This is for the lock for the window, goes up and down, like just little stuff, right? So I just got a ton of that stuff. Super bummed out about the roll bar, but it is what it is. But yeah, we got tons of parts we got to put on this thing now. I'm like so excited. All right guys, so we got some of the parts on. This is the latch. It actually locks the hood now, which is mint. I got this whole assembly here. Perfect. We got the hood latch. That's awesome. I got the bracket that replaces this stupid thing that blocks the radiator hose. So I got the proper bracket, I took it off, and it just replaces this piece, and it's just this down here. It's gonna be sitting like that. This piece is gonna be out of here. I don't even know what this came from, but yeah, it's gonna be out of here. And then I can finally put the rad back in and get all the fluids running through again. And then, yeah, we gotta take all this off for that, but it should be fun. Threw that spare on, it's a 31 by 1050. You can see how small it is, but perfect for right now. Just to roll it around, it holds air, so that's mint. And I got an extra rim now, so when I need a spare, when I decide to go with whatever tires I want, when this is over, I got 5 rims. So as you can see, that's all on now. I can actually latch it, so I'm all done for today. So you see this, drop this down. Look at that, no wiggle at all. And then you want to open it, and then you got to open and pull. So that's so sick. Finally got something done. So here's that piece that the alternator goes on. I got it all painted, just matte black. And here's the piece that the alternator goes through this bolt here, the big boy. I can't install it, I ran out of time. We're doing a renovation to our washroom right now, and it's the busiest time of year is when kids are out of school for me. I'm a hockey coach, a development coach, skating coach, whatever you want to call it. So when kids are out of school, it's super busy because they can come any time of the day. So I don't have any time during the week to work on the Bronco right now. And now I'm the surgery that I'll tell you guys about in a minute. And yeah, so I couldn't do much to the Bronco this weekend, which kind of sucks, but I hope you guys still enjoyed the video, and I'll just let you guys know about the surgery here. So guys, as some of you may know, I've mentioned it, I'm going in for a surgery on my wrist. As you guys can see, I'm going in for that this Thursday. So when you guys are seeing this video, I'm literally gonna be already done the surgery. It's gonna be the day after. I'm pretty much gonna be like out for like weeks because they have to re-break it, put a plate in it, and take like something from my like hip or something and put it in my arm. It's really bad. I broke it on my BMX bike like 2 years ago now. It just never healed and it always hurts, clicks, clacks, like it's just terrible. So I'm just gonna go through with the surgery, get it back to normal so I don't feel any pain, but the videos are gonna be a little bit more relaxed for a few weeks while I heal. I'm not gonna be able to work on anything. I'm not gonna be able to off-road right away, so we're gonna wait a little bit. We're gonna upload some more of talking videos and stuff just for the few weeks, and then we'll be back to normal. Thank you guys so much for the support. Thank you all for watching. Once I'm back off from the break with my wrist, we'll be back working on the Bronco, working on the Ranger, working on the Ram, and off-roading. So thank you guys so much. Stay tuned, we're gonna have some good videos still. Peace.